Latest in my popular series on E36 interior repair, door cards. I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver TV. Let's get into it. From all these glues, tools, and parts, I will make good E36 door panels. I have two substantially better ones that match my exact car, late model, tan, coupe, airbag from Facebook, from Virginia. They were only $75. I have the aluminum repair rails, Turtle Labs from eBay. I finally have 4 good pockets, only one of them's original and I had to fix it. And then I have a special feature to add for each side. So stay tuned as I put this all together. It's best to line the top rail up on the car, using the clips on the door as a guide to where you'll clamp the top rail on the door card. What do you think there, Chaser? So these door cards are from a convertible, and on the passenger side it features an extra upright grab handle. It's also a good thing because it's a bonus screw that holds the door card to the door, but it requires a plastic nut I didn't have. Luckily the spot for the plastic nut is there, and I found one on eBay. My surprise added feature for the driver's side is a rare OEM beige coin holder that fits in the pocket somehow. Oh, delightful. That was a good but tedious one. This is Alex Daly for Daily Driver TV. Thanks for watching. Now, if I could only find a good set of tan sport seat covers and a sports steering wheel.